Oh no. Okay. Beat the batter. That's wrong. You don't have to film this part because we'll just oh my god. Oh my god, I'm mixing water. The wine bottle.
Teamwork.
That's funny.
It's good.
Okay. Now we're gonna go up here. And we're gonna pour it into each cupcake. Okay, you can stop now. I don't even know how.
I was gonna say.
Yeah, we can just. We're gonna put them into the cut. 350.
Make sure you wear mittens.
Yes.
Safety first. I like that.
And we'll even throw in the Christmas platter.
Ooh, ah.
Okay.
Alright, then I'll just put that in there.
Now when you go brief.
Mmm, frosting. White stuff.
Okay, that sounds disgusting.
That's why you said it.
That's dirty.
For Amber.
Okay, that's good.
So.
Please do not try this at home. Professional work.
Oh my god.
I emphasize on professional.
Can you delete?
I'll ring it. I'll ring it.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. This is great.
Be careful.